Dear student, today we are going to start our chapter number 12, part 2, 12 science of organic aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid. In this chapter, we will discuss about aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid and its derivatives. First of all, introduction. This chapter carbonyl compound are of importance to organic chemistry. First of all, what is carbonyl compound? Carbon combines with oxygen by double bond. Carbon ની વેલેન્સી 4 હોય એમાં બે ઓક્સિજન ની બે કાર્બન ની 4 એટલે 2 કમ્બાઈન થઈ ગઈ એટલે બે રિમેનિંગ છે એટલે in the compound there carbonyl group present which is called carbonyl compound. And carbonyl compound in the chemistry very important. They are constituent of fabrics. આપણે જે કપડા પહેરીએ છીએ સિન્થેસાઇઝ એની અંદર હોય ફ્લેવરિંગ્સ એટલે ફ્લેવરની અંદર પ્લાસ્ટિકની અંદર એન્ડ ડ્રગ્સ એમાં મોસ્ટ ઓફ કાર્બોનિલ ગ્રુપ વાળા કમ્પાઉન્ડ્સ હોય છે. So first we are going to discuss about the introduction. In the previous unit we have studied the organic compound with functional group containing carbon oxygen single bond. કાર્બન ઓક્સિજન સાથે સિંગલ બોન્ડથી કમ્બાઈન થાય તો આપણે આલ્કોહોલ એન્ડ ફિનોલ ચેપ્ટર 11 માં ડિસ્કસ કર્યું. In this unit we will study about the organic compound containing આ ચેપ્ટરમાં કાર્બન ઓક્સિજન સાથે ડબલ બોન્ડથી જોડાયેલો હોય એને કાર્બોનિલ ગ્રુપ કહેશું. Whenever carbon is combined with oxygen by double bond, which is called a carbonyl group, which is one of the most important functional group in organic chemistry. In organic chemistry ની અંદર તે એકદમ important organic compound છે. In aldehyde, carbonyl group is bonded to a carbon and hydrogen, while in the ketones it is bonded to the two carbon atoms. Aldehyde માં carbonyl group નો carbon એક સાઈડ હાઇડ્રોજન થી અને another side alkyl aryl group એટલે carbon એટલે carbonyl carbon when combines with hydrogen and with the carbon and carbon હશે. So example CH3CHO in salt RCHO is a aldehyde એટલે કાર્બોનિલ ગ્રુપ હોય એવું એક કમ્પાઉન્ડ aldehyde હોય છે. જ્યારે કીટોન્સમાં કાર્બોનિલ ગ્રુપ નો કાર્બન બોથ સાઇડેડ કાર્બનથી કનેક્ટેડ હોય. In salt RCOR is ketone the carbonyl group containing compound. One of them is aldehyde, second one is ketones. The carbonyl compound in which carbon of carbonyl group bonded to carbon or hydrogen and oxygen of hydroxyl moiety OH are known as carboxylic acid. In the carbonyl group, suppose અહીંયા hydrogen હોય and another side OH group હોય. Otherwise, one side carbon and one side OH હોય carbonyl group ની. So which is called carboxylic acid. So main three carbonyl compounds are aldehyde, ketones and carboxylic acid. While in a compound where carbon is attached to carbon or hydrogen and nitrogen of amino moiety or to halogen are called amide and acyl halide. In the carboxylic acid, the OH group is replaced by halide. Carbonyl group, one side carbon સાથે one side halogen. Halogens everybody knows, chlorine, bromine, iodine, fluorine are halogens. So which is called acyl halide. In carbonyl group, one side carbon and one side amino group is there. So which is called amide. So main carbonyl compounds are aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid. These are derivatives. એટલે OH group is replaced by halogen. So acyl halide, OH group replaced by amino group. So amide. Ester and anhydride are derivatives of carboxylic acid. The general formula of this class compound are given below. So main three carbonyl compound aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid. Then acyl halide, amide, ester and anhydride. What is ester? In the carbonyl group, one side is alkyl or aryl group and another side alkoxy group. So RCOO dash is ester. This one is the ester. Suppose in the carbonyl group, one side is the carbon, another side is the OCOR dash. So RCO twice O, which is anhydride, acid anhydride. Aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid are widespread in plants and animal kingdom. Animals ની અંદર અને plants ની અંદર aldehyde, ketone અને carboxylic acid બહુ પુષ્કળ પ્રમાણમાં રહેલા હોય છે. They play an important role in biochemical reaction. In the human, in the plants, in the animal, chemical reaction occurs in living organisms. That is called biochemical process. They add fragrance and flavor to nature. Aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid, they add fragrance, આપણે સુગંધ આપે, flavor, taste આપે. For example, vanillin from vanilla beans. વેનીલાના દાણા હોય છે એની અંદર વેનિલિન હોય છે એટલે વેનીલાની ફ્લેવર આવે છે, that is vanillin. Salicylic from meadow sweet. Salicylic હવે શોર્ટલી થાય તો બામમાં યુઝ કરીએ છીએ salicylic છે. Cinnamaldehyde from cinnamon, a very pleasant fragrance. આ બધાની fragrance एकदम मस्त है. मोस्टली आ બધા જ કાર્બોનિલ ગ્રુપ having compounds છે. So formula of vanillin you can see in the benzene ring there is CHO. So we know benzaldehyde. On para position there is OH group. On meta position methoxy group are present. So which is called vanillin. CHO એટલે કાર્બોનિલ compound છે એટલે કાર્બોનિલ compound વાળું આ vanillin છે. This is not IUPAC name. This one is actually common name, famous name. Actually name of this compound is 4-hydroxy 3-methoxy and benzaldehyde. Yes, 4-hydroxy 3-methoxy benzaldehyde. Now salicylic. On meta place OH group is present. So 2-hydroxy benzaldehyde is the IUPAC name of salicylic. Now cinnamaldehyde. Yes. 3-phenyl prop 2 in 1 all, otherwise 2 enol, in plus r, enol. 3 phenyl, third position upar phenyl group is a branch, second upar in double bond prop 2 in and 1 r, so prop 2 enol is cinnamoldehyde. They are used in many food products and pharmaceuticals to add flavors. Vanillin છે, salicylate છે, and cinnamoldehyde are very useful in the addition of flavors in pharmaceutical and food product. આપણે જે ખોરાક ખાય તેની અંદર સ્વાદ ટેસ્ટ માટે અને મેડિસિનની અંદર એનો યુઝ થાય છે. Some of these families are manufactured for use as solvent. તો જે કાર્બોનિલ કમ્પાઉન્ડ છે એમાંથી કેટલાક તો as a solvent. Generally organic compounds are insoluble in water. We are taking benzaldehyde. So benzaldehyde is not soluble in water, but it's soluble in acetone. So acetone is carbonyl compound as a solvent. Generally ionic compound in water માં soluble હોય, but most of organic compound insoluble in water. So એને dissolve કરવા માટે we are using solvent, organic solvent. So acetone is one of the best solvent for dissolving organic compound, which is carbonyl group heavy compound, and for preparing material like adhesives. આપણે ફેવિક્વિક આવે છે માર્કેટમાં, એમાં તમે જોજો ફેવિક્વિક, ફેવિકોલ આ બધામાં એડહેસિવ્સ લખેલું હોય છે એટલે બે સરફેસને ચોંટાડવા માટે. પેઇન્ટ, પ્લાસ્ટિક પેઇન્ટ આવે, રેઝિન્સ, પરફ્યુમ, પ્લાસ્ટિક અને ફેબ્રિક્સ, સિન્થેસાઇઝ ક્લોથિસ એમાં પણ યુઝ થાય છે. ઇન્ટ્રોડક્શન ઓવર હિયર. અહીં આપણે જે ઇન્ટ્રોડક્શન જોયું એમાં કાર્બોનિલ ગ્રુપ હોય, CO group, એને શું કહેવાય? C double bond O is carbonyl group, and carbonyl group having compound is called carbonyl compound. So generally carbonyl compound main three: aldehyde, ketone, and carboxylic acid. And derivatives of carboxylic acid are for acid chloride, amide, ester, and anhydride. Next the introduction હતું. Now first of all we are going to start our chapter nomenclature and structure of carbonyl group. We are going to divide our chapter in 3 parts. First of all aldehyde, then ketone and carboxylic acid. So first of all nomenclature of the aldehydes and ketones. Aldehyde means RCHO, ketone means RCOR. Aldehydes and ketones are the simplest and most important carbonyl compound. Aldehyde and ketone both are most important carbonyl compound છે, કારણ કે એમાં CO group છે એટલે carbonyl compound કહેવાય. એમાં one side carbon, one side hydrogen તો aldehyde, both side carbon હોય તો ketone. Remember, these are two systems of nomenclature of aldehyde, ketone. હવે એના nomenclature માટે બે મેથડ છે, એક common name and IUPAC name. So first of all we are going to discuss about the common name. Aldehyde and ketone are often called by their common names instead of IUPAC name. મોટા ભાગે aldehyde અને ketone એના common name થી વધારે ઓળખાય છે IUPAC name કરતા. The common name of most aldehyde are derived from the common name of corresponding carboxylic acid. Generally, aldehyde અને કીટોન છે, aldehyde ની વાત કરીએ પહેલા. તો aldehyde છે એનો corresponding, તો aldehyde આપણે લઈએ RCHO, કાર્બોક્સિલિક એસિડ RCOO. Suppose CH3COO લઈએ તો એસિડિક એસિડ. So here HCHO, એસિટાલ્ડિહાઇડ, એટલે જે કાર્બોક્સિલિક એસિડનું કોમન નેમ હોય એના રેફરન્સમાં આલ્ડિહાઇડનું નેમ હોય છે, જેમ કે એસિટિક એસિડ હોય. By replacing the ending ic acid, this is acidic acid. So ic acid we are removing. So acetaldehyde, ic acid remove કરી acetaldehyde acid, original source yes aldehyde. એટલે એસિડિક એસિડ છે CH3COO, તો બે કાર્બન વાળું આલ્ડિહાઇડ હોય, આનું કોમન નેમ છે એસિડિક એસિડ. તો એનું કોમન નેમ આના ઉપરથી આવ્યું એસિટાલ્ડિહાઇડ. ઇક એસિડ રિમૂવ કરી આલ્ડિહાઇડ વર્ડ લગાડવામાં આવે તો એસિટાલ્ડિહાઇડ. Another example, this is formic acid. So one carbon વાળું આલ્ડિહાઇડ હોય તો formaldehyde, just like this. The names reflect the Latin or Greek term for the original source of the acid or aldehyde. હવે આના જે કોમન નેમ છે એમાં ગ્રીક અને લેટિન વર્ડ્સ યુઝ થયેલા છે. ઓરિજિનલ સોર્સ ઓફ એસિડ એ આલ્ડિહાઇડ અને કી એસિડ ક્યાંથી મળી આવ્યા એના ઉપરથી. The location of the substituent in the carbon chain indicated by Greek letters alpha, beta, gamma, delta. આપણે કોઈ સબસ્ટિટ્યુટન્ટ કોઈ બ્રાન્ચ આવશે લોંગ ચેઇનમાં, તેને 1 2 3 4 નહીં પણ આલ્ફા, બીટા, ગેમા, ડેલ્ટા ઇન્ડિકેટ કરવામાં આવે છે. તો આલ્ફા કાર્બન બીંગ the one directly linked to the aldehyde group, એટલે CHO ગ્રુપ છે, CHO means COOH, જે કાર્બન સાથે એટેચ હોય તે આલ્ફા, એના પછીનો નેબર બીટા, નેક્સ્ટ કાર્બન ગેમા, then next delta. Here there is no any branch, so this is acetaldehyde. This is not common, not IUPAC name but a common name, acetaldehyde. Benzene ring contains CHO group, actually C6H5. Benzene માં C6H હોય 6, one hydrogen replace 5, यहाँ CHO group આવી જાય. So which is C6H5CHO, which is called benzaldehyde. Here 1 2 3 and 4 total number carbon 4. So butyraldehyde. On beta carbon there is a bromine, so beta bromo butyraldehyde. Bromo છે is a prefix અને aldehyde છે એ suffix છે. Suffix will be last, the prefix વાળું first લખાય, એટલે beta bromo butyraldehyde. beta carbon the next and so on, and beta પછીનો gamma, gamma પછીનો delta. Yes, acetaldehyde, benzaldehyde, beta bromo butyraldehyde, like this. And ketone, the common names of ketones are derived naming two alkyl or aryl group bonded to the carbonyl group. કીટોનના કોમન નેમ માટે આ કાર્બોનિલ ગ્રુપ સાથે કયો આલ્કાઇલ કે એરાઇલ ગ્રુપ કમ્બાઇન છે એનું નામ લખ્યા પછી કીટોન વર્ડ લખવામાં આવે છે. કા બંને આલ્કાઇલ ગ્રુપ હોય, યસ, કા બંને એરાઇલ હોય, Suppose one alkyl એટલે methyl, ethyl, propyl, like this. Aryl means benzene ring, phenyl. એને કીટોન કહેવાય. કાર્બોનિલ ગ્રુપની બે સાઇડ કાર્બન હોય તો કીટોન કહેવાય. The location substituents are indicated by Greek letters alpha, alpha dash, beta, beta dash, and so on. Beginning with the carbon atom next to the carbonyl group, indicate alpha and alpha dash. Here is CO, this carbon alpha, another side alpha dash. Here is beta, here is beta dash, like this. Some ketones have historical common name. એમાંથી કેટલાક કીટોનને તો પોતાનું historical name હોય છે. The simplest dimethyl ketone is called acetone. Both side methyl group is present. So methyl, methyl 2 times, dimethyl ketone. But simplest dimethyl ketone is called acetone. Dimethyl ketone and acetone both are common name. Then alkyl phenyl ketones are usually named by adding the name of acyl group as prefix to the word phenol. For example, હવે જો તમને કહું CO, CH3 અને પછી બેન્ઝીન રિંગ છે, so acetophenone, this is acetophenone, 2 carbon acetophenone, 1, 2 and 3 carbon and benzene ring, so propiophenone, both side benzene ring, so benzophenone. This one acetone means dimethyl ketone. Here is actually methyl group, here is phenyl. So M stood first, methyl phenyl ketone. And another, this one also common name, acetophenone is also common name. 1, 2, 3 and benzene ring propiophenone, but see only one side ethyl group છે, one side phenyl. So alphabetical order માં E stood first. So another name ethyl phenyl ketone also. This is benzophenone, but both side phenyl, so diphenyl ketone also. Diphenyl ketone, yes, that is the common name. So most of aldehyde and ketones are known as it's a famous name. Now IUPAC name of common name, then after IUPAC name, the IUPAC name of open chain. First of all, what is aliphatic and aromatic? Only long chain of carbon is called aliphatic. In aliphatic there should be alkane, alkene and alkynes are aliphatic, but benzene ring containing compound is called aromatic. The IUPAC name of open chain aliphatic aldehyde and ketone are derived from the name corresponding alkanes by replacing the ending E with R and 1 respectively. Suppose aldehyde HCHO, one carbon means methane. E remove करिए and आल लागશે. So methanol, CH3CHO, two carbon means ethane. E remove થાય. Ethanol, okay. CH3, CH2, CHO, total carbon 3. Here is propane. E remove થાય. So propanol like this. Butane for the butanol, 4 carbon having compound. Total number of carbon 4. There is no branch. CHO last one order जरूर नहीं. Only butane for the butanol. Total number of carbon is 5. Pentane. Then pentanol. In case of aldehyde, the longest carbon chain is numbered starting from the carbon to the aldehyde group, while in case of ketones, the numbering being from the end nearer to the carbonyl group. ketone માં on લાગે છે, એમાં નંબરિંગ આપવાનું 1, 2 and 3. 3 carbon propane, propanone. E remove કરી અને on આવે propanone. Suppose CH3 CO CH2 CH3, total number of carbon are 4. From here second, from here third position, so list number and the list second and the third type. So butane to on, butane to on. Sometimes in old book butanone also, butanone to butanone. But in our modern book, new book, there is butane to on. Now in the case of total number of carbon 5, one, 2, 3 and 4. Here is 2. So pentane 2 on. અહીંથી order 4 થાય, 3, 2 થાય. Suppose CH3 CH2 CO, CH2 CH, 93, 93. So pentane 3 on. Ketone, the numbering being from the end nearer to carbonyl group. The substituents are prefixed in alphabetical order along with the numerals indicating their position in the carbon chain. The numbering છે આપવામાં આવે. Suppose in the aldehyde, total number of carbon are 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 2 chloro butane, butanol. Butanol, 2 chlorobutanol like this. Sometimes 2 derivatives, 1 chloro and 1 methyl is there. So આનો suffix છે al, આનો prefix છે. આ મિથાઇલ નો m, chloro નો c. So chloro stood first. So 3 chloro, 2 methyl butanol like this. We have to give name in the case of substituent. like this. Now more discussion we will discuss in our next lecture. Till then, bye.